Hey guys, it's Sambo from Tyrant 4x4 and behind me today is one unique Ford Raptor. Now, if you'd like to lay your eyes on our one-of-a-kind Humm bull bar, you'll see everything on it is just, it's great. So with this build, we decided to do something a little different. We've added a carbon winch onto it. It's got about the same amount of pulling power as the other winch that we usually show, the muscle lift, except this one comes with a breather. So if you're in a river, it's gonna be awesome. Now I wanna hear you say "you beauty" when you come in and buy one of these stainless 3-inch snorkels, which have also been powder coated in black, and they sound sick. I know what you guys are thinking. It's not Easter, but yes, we do have a surprise for you. Ever heard of Fabulous Fabrications? Well, they've done an airbox for us. This is a one-of-a-kind airbox which lets you see the air filter, see if you've filled the airbox with any water or mud, so you can easily go, oh, I should probably kill the engine and not destroy my motor. And this airbox not only comes with a glass you can see through, but it also comes with a K&N air filter and silicone hoses that are molded to the factory position. At Tyrant 4x4, we decided we'd throw in a Torqueit module, which will definitely increase your kilowatts and give you a lot more fun for your off-road adventures. So we were talking about Torqueit modules earlier. What we've got here is also Torqueit related. It's a Torqueit exhaust system, which can increase your horsepower and kilowatts, and not only that, they sound off their chops. Now, the design of it is Australian, and they are very close to the factory one in how they mount, and they look amazing when you get under the vehicle. Not that it matters if you don't get under it. So right in front of me, we've also got this EGR roll track, which is one of the best roller covers you can fit. We fit them here at Tyrant 4x4, so give us a call anytime or hit us up on our Facebook page. Alright, here's the part you've all been waiting for, and no, it's not just my smile. Right behind me now, we have hard alloy black Rhino rims, unique as can be. And we've decided we're going to put 33-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers on there, which are our brand of tyres. And they're absolutely great if you want to go anywhere off-road, up hills, down hills, they'll give you grip. Not only that, they do look smaller on camera, but they are really big in real life. Now, if you look behind me as well, we have the bull bar that we fitted. That's gonna add more weight onto the vehicle, so we've decided to put our 2-inch heavy-duty springs in. There you go, guys. Till next time, Sam from Tyrant 4x4. Hope to see you soon.